So in this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to new subscriber in ConvertKit via MSG24x7. Now, if you're using ConvertKit as an email marketing platform and to manage all of your subscribers, this automation is going to help you a lot. So in this automation, whenever a new subscriber will be added in our ConvertKit account, automatically using MSG24x7, we are going to send them a welcome message on WhatsApp. Now, if you want to know how you can set up this kind of automation, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. Let's say I want to name a workflow as ConvertKit to MSG24x7. Instead of this, you can basically give any name of your choice to your workflow. And after naming your workflow, just select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you want to create this workflow. Let's say I want to create the workflow in this folder named as Home. So I've selected Home over here. And after that, just click on Create. Now you can see that a workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on. Where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with the trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we are going to connect our ConvertKit account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger window, so that whenever a new subscriber is added in our ConvertKit account, the details of that newly added subscriber will be received inside Pabbly Connect, and this automation workflow will trigger. And after that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send those new subscriber details to MSG24x7. And using MSG24x7, we are going to send a WhatsApp message to the same subscriber as well. So let's see how it is done. Starting from our trigger window, here in Choose App, search for ConvertKit. Just select it. And then in trigger event from this drop down, select the trigger event as new form subscriber or new subscriber. So I'm adding the new subscriber in ConvertKit using the form. So I'm selecting new form subscriber over here. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here guys, we have to connect our ConvertKit account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key and API secret of our ConvertKit account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API key and API secret. So to get these details, just go to your ConvertKit account and on the right top corner, click on this profile option and go to settings. After coming to the settings page, from the left sidebar, just scroll down and go to this advanced tab. After coming to the advanced tab, here you can see the API key and API secret of your ConvertKit account. Just copy the API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And after that, copy the API secret and then paste it over here too. And after entering these 2 details, just click on Save. Now when we click on Save, our ConvertKit account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, here it is asking us for the form, that the subscriber from which form we want to receive inside Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want to set up this kind of automation to send WhatsApp message for a single form for the subscriber which you are getting from a particular form in your ConvertKit account, you can just select this form over here. Or if you want to send the WhatsApp message to all the subscribers in your ConvertKit account, you can select this new subscriber trigger event too. So here we are selecting this Pine form which I have created, so that whenever this form is submitted by any person, whenever a new subscriber will be added using this form in my ConvertKit account, automatically the details of that subscriber will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So after selecting the form, just click on Save and Send Test Request button. And after clicking on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see it is showing us waiting for response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some details of a new subscriber from our ConvertKit account. So let's do this. We will go to a ConvertKit account, we will go to the form section, and using the same form which we have selected, we are going to make a test form submission, a dummy form submission over here. So what we are going to do, we will just copy the link of this form and then we will paste it in a new tab. And now we are going to enter the details of a dummy user. For example, the name of the person is dummy user. This is the email address. And this is the mobile number. So after entering all of these details, let's click on this submit button. And as we click on submit, just now this particular subscriber is added in my ConvertKit account. But here it is saying us that the ConvertKit has sent an email to this particular subscriber for confirmation, whether they want to be added in our ConvertKit account or not. So before confirming this subscriber, what we are going to do, we will just go to the email inbox of this user. And then here you will see an email is sent by ConvertKit. So here you can see this is an email sent by ConvertKit. As the user, as the newly added subscriber will confirm the subscription, then they will be successfully added as a subscriber in our ConvertKit account. So we'll go to a ConvertKit account, we'll go to subscribers. And yes, here you can see dummy user, the same person whose details we have just now added in this form. The same person is now successfully added as a subscriber and it is confirmed as well. Now, after successfully adding the subscriber, we'll get back to Pabbly Connect. And here you can see in this trigger step, within few seconds, we have received some response. And in this response, you will see the details of that exact same subscriber. Here you can see the same first name dummy user, same last name user, same mobile number, and also the same email address. This means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed, where we have successfully connected our ConvertKit account with Pabbly Connect and received the details of new ConvertKit subscriber in our Pabbly Connect workflow. Now after this, let's move to step 2. In step 2, we want to send a WhatsApp message to the same user's mobile number. For that, we will just scroll down, click on this action step, and here in choose app, we are going to search for MSG24x7. So select MSG24x7 official WhatsApp as the action application, and in action event, select send WhatsApp template. Then just click on this connect button and select add new connection. Now to start sending messages using MSG24x7, we have to connect our MSG24x7 account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key of our MSG24x7 account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API key. So to get this API key, just go to your MSG24x7 account and from the left sidebar, go to manage and go to API key. And here you can see this API key. Just copy this API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And after pasting this API key, just click on save. And as we click on save, we will see our MSG24x7 account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the campaign name. Now to start sending WhatsApp messages using MSG24x7, first we have to create a campaign in MSG24x7. And after creating that campaign, we have to add a WhatsApp message template in that campaign as well. Now you must be thinking, what is this WhatsApp template message? So let me show you. So to start sending WhatsApp messages using this, first we have to create the template of the WhatsApp message which we want to send to our subscribers. So here we will go to settings, we'll go to manage, we'll go to template message, and here you can see a list of all the WhatsApp message templates which I have created. Now to start creating a new template, just click on this new button and then you can just create a WhatsApp message template of your choice over here. The template message which we are going to use in this video is named as new user. So template is basically the WhatsApp message which you want to send to your users. But in this particular template, few details will be dynamic, few details will be variable. Like here you can see in this message, after hi, I wanted to mention the first name of the new subscriber to whom we want to send the message. But for every WhatsApp message we are going to send, the first name will be changing. Means the text after hi will be keep on changing for every new message. This means this is a dynamic text. It's a variable, it's a parameter. So while creating the template, you can add these kind of dynamic text, these kind of variables or parameters in your template message as well. Then my message says, welcome aboard. We are thrilled to have you join us. Your registration is confirmed and you are now a part of our community. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check out the brochure which we have attached. For more details, you can visit our website and we have added the link of our website as well, which is also a dynamic text. And whatever text we want to add in place of this variable, we can add those tags in our Pabbly Connect workflow. So we will see this in a couple of minutes. But first, what we have to do, we have to create a campaign in our MSG247 account. So this is the template named as new_user. And while creating a campaign, we have to select a template as well. So first step is to create a WhatsApp message template, a WhatsApp message which we want to send to our users. And after that, what we have to do, we have to basically add this particular template in the campaign. So we'll just go to this campaign section and click on this launch button and select the campaign type as API campaign. After selecting it, it is asking us for this campaign name. So I will name this campaign as ConvertKit. And after naming the campaign, it is asking us for the template. So here you can see a list of all the templates, all the WhatsApp message template which we have created in our MSG247 account is shown over here. Out of all of this, in this campaign, I want to use this new user template. So I have selected that particular template over here and then just click on set live. As we click on set live, this new campaign is created in our MSG247 account. And using this particular campaign, we will be sending this WhatsApp message to our new ConvertKit subscriber. In this WhatsApp message, after hi, we are going to mention the first name of the person. Here we are going to enter the website, that to which website we want to take them. And also we will be attaching a document with this particular WhatsApp message as well. Now this is an optional field, like sending a document, a media file, an image or video is an option. But if you want, you can do that as well. And instead of this particular message, you can create any kind of WhatsApp message in the template section of your choice. So we have to enter the campaign name, and the campaign name is ConvertKit. So we will be entering this campaign name over here. After entering the campaign name, in the next field, it is asking us for the mobile number. That what is the mobile number of the user to whom we want to send the WhatsApp message. So we have received the mobile number of the user from ConvertKit. So in the trigger step responses, we have received the details of the new subscriber, and in those details, we had the mobile number of the user as well. So what we have to do, we have to basically map this response of mobile number of the user in this MSG247 action step. And guys, the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field, and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from ConvertKit of a new subscriber. Out of all of these responses, select the response of mobile number and it will be mapped. So whatever mobile number the user is going to enter in the form, or whatever mobile number the user will be having in our ConvertKit account, with the same mobile number, on the same mobile number, we will be sending the WhatsApp message using MSG247. Now the help text over here says, enter user mobile number in the format of country code +, country code and phone number. So it is asking us to enter the mobile number with the + and the country code as well. And if we don't specify this, then in that case, it will be considering the default country code as +91. That is the country code of India. So you have to ensure that you enter the mobile number of the user with + and the country code. And if it is not done, in that case, the default country code will be taken as India's country code, that is +91. After mobile number, it is asking us for the username, that what will be the name of this person to whom we are sending the message. So we have received the name of the person in ConvertKit responses as well. We have the first name as well as the last name. So we will be using the same process of mapping once again, and then we will be mapping the response of the user's name to whom we are sending the WhatsApp message. Just click here. From the drop down, select the response of first name and it will be mapped. Then add a space and then just map this response of last name too. So in this way, we have added the name of the person too. Then it is asking us for the source and tag. So if you want, you can enter these two details of source and tag, that what is the source of this user. And if you want, you can also add some tag to this new user as well. But right now, both of these fields are not mandatory, are not required. So you can ignore these two fields as well. Then it is asking us template parameter. So while creating the template, we have created these two parameters over here. So what is the text? What is the value we want to add in place of these parameters? We have to enter those values in this template parameter field. And we have to enter these values in the same sequence. Like here in parameter 1, we wanted to mention the name of the person, the first name of the person of the subscriber to whom we are sending the WhatsApp message. So we will just click here, and from the drop down, we will select the response of first name and it will be mapped. Then we will add a comma, and after adding a comma, we will be entering the value of our second variable over here. So in second variable, we wanted to mention our website. So I'll just manually enter the website link over here. This is it, www.pabbly.com. So this is the website link. This is the particular text which I wanted to mention in place of this variable 2 in the WhatsApp message. In this way, you can basically add as many variables as you want according to your choice. And in this template parameter field, in this particular field, by adding the commas, you can mention the values or the text for each and every parameter, each and every variable over here. Then after that, it is asking us for the media URL. So in this particular WhatsApp message, we have selected an attachment as a file. We will be sending a brochure or a file with the WhatsApp message. Then what will be the link, the URL of that file? We have to enter that media URL over here. So here I will be entering the link of the brochure which I want to send with this WhatsApp message. So let me open this link in a new tab. So this is just a dummy PDF of a brochure which I want to send with this WhatsApp message. But instead of this, you can basically add the link of any image, video or PDF document according to your choice. Then it is asking us for the file name. So let me give this file a name as brochure itself, or I should name it as welcome brochure. Then it is asking us for the attribute name over here. So if you want to send some kind of, or if you want to offer some kind of quick reply buttons, then in that case, you have to select that option while creating the template, and you can enter the name of those buttons or attributes over here. But right now in this template, we are not adding any kind of quick reply buttons. That's why we can ignore these two fields for now. But after entering all of these details, just click on Save and Send Test Request. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that a WhatsApp message has been sent to the new subscriber which was added in our ConvertKit account. So let's check the WhatsApp inbox of this user. We'll go to our WhatsApp account, and yes, here you can see just now on the same number we have received a WhatsApp message which says hi dummy, means we have the same first name of the subscriber which was added in ConvertKit. Welcome aboard. We are thrilled to have you join us, and we have the template message which we have added. After that, in this template message, you can see after hi, we have added a variable named as dummy over here, and you can see the same variable is sent or added in the WhatsApp message. Also, you can see the same link which we have added in this template parameter too. Here you can see the same brochure, the same PDF which we have added, whose link we have added over here. So same PDF is downloaded. We will open this document, and here you can see it's the same document. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, whenever a new subscriber will be added in our ConvertKit account, either using form or any other method, automatically we will be sending a welcome message to the new subscriber on WhatsApp using MSG24x7. Now to test this automation in real time, we'll go back to this form, we will refresh it, and we are going to make another form submission. Let's say this time the name of the person is test user. This is the email address of this person. And then this is the dummy mobile number of this person over here. And then let's click on submit. As we click on submit, just now another new subscriber is added in our ConvertKit account. So we'll just go to subscriber section, and here you will see we have another new subscriber over here. But before that, we have to basically confirm this subscription. So we will just go to the email inbox. We'll check whether we have received another email for the confirmation of the subscription. And here it is. We will just click on this confirm button, confirm your subscription, and the subscription is confirmed. As the subscription is confirmed, automatically this subscriber is added in our ConvertKit account. And as the ConvertKit account gets a new subscriber, here you can see test is the new subscriber, instantly within seconds, a WhatsApp message has been sent to the same number of tests which they have added, or which we have of that subscriber in ConvertKit. This means the automation workflow which we have created, it is working perfectly fine, and we have tested this automation as well. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of the same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can actually clone this exact same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can post them on forum.pabbly.com. So if this video was helpful to you, you can obviously like this video, comment down to your suggestions, and don't forget to share it with others. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.